Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm back doing the daily analysis of Euro USD, and we are going to explore about today's move. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having, and we are having high impact news at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious because this could be really volatile and not idle for lower time frame trades. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart and it is a strong high we can see, and this is the PPR we are having into the monthly levels. But the price has not yet tapped this BPR. So we can expect that the price can possibly move into the upside direction. So let's move to the weeklies to see what do we have within this candle. As we move into the weekly, we can see that this was the area or the swing which was responsible to break this low. So it was significantly a strong low, and I was anticipating that the price could react from this FVG, but we disrespected this FVG and moved into the further upside direction, making this a BPR. So I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to tap this BPR and then we are going to tap this monthly BPR too. So for now, we are within this candle's range and we have taken this high, that is extreme high or the external liquidity, and now I'm anticipating that most likely the price is going to move into the downward side towards this weekly BPR. So now let's move to the dailies to see what do we have in here. As we move into the dailies, we can see that we were sweeping the highs, and at last the price swept this extreme high and moved into the downward side. Currently we are within this candle's range, that is open and close range. So now let's move to the 4 hours to see what do we have in here, because the price action is quite choppy. So as we move into the 4 hours, we can spot one FVG over here at the spot. So if we are going to disrespect it into the downward side, that is over here, most likely we are going for this extreme low, that is weekly FVG. Else, most likely this could be a point of reaction for the price and we are going to go into the further upside direction towards this monthly BPR. So now let's move to the 2 hours. As we move into the 2 hours, we are able to see this order flow which is going into the market right now. This FVG is being respected and the price is moving to the downward side. So currently what do we have? We have this low which is a vulnerable low because just below this low we are having 4-hour FVG. So most likely we are going for that 4-hour FVG and then we are going to see a reaction into the other side. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hours, what we can see is that we are sweeping the highs, which was also happening into the 2 hours. So currently this is the low we are having, and let's move to the 30 minutes. So moving to the 30 minutes, what do we have is we are in this Asia session and we are in a huge range of accumulation into the market right now. So most likely I'm anticipating that we are going to take this Asia high and then move towards this 4-hour FVG. And if we are going to react from this FVG into the further upside direction, making strong lows, most likely we will go towards this monthly levels, else we will go towards the downward side of the weekly BPR. So for today's bias, what I'm having in my mind right now is most likely we are going to sweep this Asia high, then we are going to go down, mitigate the 4-hour FVG, and then we are possibly going to react into the upside direction towards the monthly BPR. Or if that doesn't happen, we have this different scenario over here, that is most likely we are going to react into the downward side and we are going to mitigate the weekly BPR. So these two are the cases right now into the price. So this was it, and do let me know into the comments if you have any doubts or questions. Till then, thank you for watching and happy trading.